Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from OnePlus Nord 5 5G. So let's get started. First of all, we are if you want to remove your Gmail account, you need to go your Play Store. When you go to Play Store, uh, uh, here you can see the icon of Play Store. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new window will open on your screen just like that. Here at the top of the right, you can see the icon of your Gmail account. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new window will open on your screen just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account properly, and you can see a symbol of arrow, just like arrow at the right top of the screen. Just click on it. When you click on it, a new window will open on your screen. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts on your screen, and you can see also a option of just like add another account. Just click on it. When you click on it, you can see all your Gmail accounts. Choose one which one you want to remove. Suppose I want to remove my second account. And just click on it. When you click on it, a new window will open on your screen just like that. Here at the top of the screen you can see your Gmail ID, and at the bottom of the screen you can see option of remove account. Just click on it. When you click on remove account, a pop-up window will open on your screen just like that. Simply just click on OK button. When you click on OK button, the Gmail ID you select, it was removed. Okay, it is removed. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.